On August 2, 2025, the holiday championship came to a close at Oratoire Don Bosco Kabgayi. The tournament was organized by Don Bosco Kabgayi Football Training Center in collaboration with Oratoire Don Bosco Kabgayi. This championship brought together children and youth in 5 categories: U8, U10, U13, U15, and U18. The main objectives were to discover new talents, protect children from negative behaviors during the holidays, and instill values through sports. In the U8 category, Rising Stars defeated Ushindi Sport Family 2-1. In U10, Victory Kids claimed the trophy after a penalty shootout against Golden Talent. U13 saw Young Warriors edge Ushindi Sport Family 4-2 on penalties. In U15, Future Eagles triumphed over Future FC with a 2-1 victory. Finally, in the U18 category, Don Bosco Warriors lifted the trophy after winning 4-2 on penalties against Ushindi Sport Family. Head coach Twiziamana Emmanuel confirmed that 95% of the objectives were achieved. He stated, "Parents are now more engaged and understand the value of sports. This gives us confidence that talented children will continue to grow professionally." Parents also expressed their appreciation. Mr. Nsikwai Bazil, one of the parents, thanked the organizers for the excellent tournament, saying that the children demonstrated talent, discipline and values that give hope for the future. The management of Don Bosco Kabgayi expressed gratitude to partners who supported the event, including Zenith, Top Africa News, Alliance Catering Services, Bifa Group Ltd, Fab Sun Image, Ushindi Sport Family, AS Horizon and Children Empowerment Network, Renjaram Wana Club. For over 10 years, Don Bosco Kabgayi Football Training Center has been nurturing young talents, with some of its graduates already playing in Rwanda's first and second divisions. This holiday championship confirmed that sports remain a powerful pathway for healthy living, building values, and developing youth potential. Don Bosco Kabgayi, nurturing talent, values and the vision for a brighter future.
Ya,